Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 0808, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 0808? What's the symbolism of 0808? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 0808 mean for love? What does 0808 mean for twin flames? What does 0808 for manifestation? How does angel number 0808 affect finances? What does 0808 mean for former relationships? How does 0808 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 0808? What are the weaknesses of angel number 0808? What's the meaning of angel number 0808? Angel number 0808 symbolizes balance between material success and spiritual growth. The number 8 resonates with abundance, power, and achievement, while 0 represents infinite potential and spiritual connection. Seeing 0808 means you're being encouraged to find harmony between worldly pursuits and inner alignment. It's a reminder that you can attract success without losing touch with your higher self. This number often appears when you're about to enter a new phase of personal or financial growth. Trust that the universe supports you in manifesting your desires, provided they align with your soul's purpose and highest good. What's the symbolism of angel number 0808? The symbolism of 0808 lies in its powerful balance of spiritual and material energies. The 8s symbolize strength, ambition, and karmic cycles, while the 0s amplify spiritual potential and connection to the divine. The repetition of 8s suggests cycles of reward through effort, while the symmetry of the number hints at duality, reflection, and infinite growth. This number symbolizes that what you give out comes back, emphasizing karma, integrity, and balance. It reminds you to remain grounded while aspiring for spiritual and financial fulfillment. 0808 encourages stability and alignment between your external achievements and internal spiritual evolution. What is the angel number 0808's spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 0808 represents the union of divine wisdom and material reality. It urges you to recognize that spiritual wealth and material abundance are not mutually exclusive but interconnected when aligned with purpose. The 0s reflect divine connection, while the 8s represent the ability to build lasting success through discipline and service. This number reminds you to trust the flow of divine energy and to stay centered during life's cycles. It may signal a time of renewal, urging you to release spiritual blocks and embrace your soul's journey. You're being guided to live authentically and intentionally. What does angel number the 0808 mean for love? In love, 0808 encourages stability, emotional balance, and mutual support. It asks you to assess whether your relationship supports both personal and shared growth. If you're in a relationship, this number calls for harmony, understanding, and clear communication about long-term goals. If single, 0808 suggests you're attracting a partner who shares your values and desires for balance. This angel number emphasizes giving and receiving love equally and not settling for less than you deserve. It's a reminder that love should empower, not deplete, and that healthy partnerships are rooted in mutual respect, trust, and aligned life visions. What does angel number 0808 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, 0808 indicates a period of karmic alignment and deep reflection. The 8s suggest both twins are experiencing growth through lessons of balance, while the 0s highlight spiritual connection and divine timing. This number may appear during times of separation, prompting inner work necessary for eventual union. It encourages both individuals to let go of ego-driven patterns and align with their higher selves. Twin flames may be mirroring each other's strengths and weaknesses, offering opportunities for soul-level healing. 0808 serves as a reminder that twin flame journeys require patience, self-mastery, and unconditional love to thrive. What does angel number 0808 for manifestation? Angel number 0808 is highly favorable for manifestation, particularly of material goals and life purpose. The number 8 is linked to financial abundance, career progress, and mastery, while the 0 amplifies the energy and connects your intentions to the divine source. When this number appears, you're being reminded that your thoughts, beliefs, and actions directly shape your reality. Manifestation is most powerful now, especially when aligned with your soul mission. 0808 encourages disciplined focus, gratitude, and trust in the process. Release limiting beliefs, take aligned action, and stay positive. The universe is working in your favor. How does angel number 0808 affect finances? Financially, angel number 0808 is a powerful sign of abundance, opportunity, and karmic return. It signals that your hard work is about to pay off, especially if you've been disciplined and ethical in your financial dealings. The number 8 is deeply connected with wealth and prosperity, and its repetition doubles this influence. The zeros indicate divine flow and remind you to maintain spiritual integrity while pursuing material success. 0808 advises you to stay focused, avoid fear-based decisions, and trust that you are being supported. New income streams, investments, or promotions may soon align with your financial goals. What does angel number 0808 mean for former relationships? When related to former relationships, 0808 symbolizes closure, healing, and the chance to learn from past experiences. It may be a reminder to release emotional baggage that prevents growth or future love. The 8s suggest karmic lessons were involved, possibly pointing to imbalance, control, or unresolved emotional debt. The zeros bring spiritual clarity and invite you to renew your energy by letting go. This number supports forgiveness, not to excuse past pain, but to free yourself for new beginnings. It reassures you that moving forward will attract healthier, more aligned relationships when you're ready to receive them. How does angel number 0808 guide your work life? In your work life, 0808 promotes ambition, success, and alignment with purpose. It suggests a time of increased productivity and financial rewards if you maintain discipline and integrity. The 8s bring leadership energy, while the zeros encourage you to connect your career with your higher calling. If you've been feeling unfulfilled, this number may urge you to seek work that resonates more deeply with your soul. It's also a reminder to strike a balance between personal ambitions and service to others. 0808 encourages you to pursue roles where you can thrive professionally while making a positive impact. What are the strengths of angel number 0808? The strengths of angel number 0808 include resilience, determination, spiritual awareness, and a powerful ability to manifest abundance. Individuals resonating with this number are often driven, goal-oriented, and able to overcome obstacles with grace. They are also spiritually attuned, valuing both material and inner growth. The repeated 8s signify strength, leadership, and a deep sense of responsibility, while the zeros enhance intuition and divine connection. This blend creates a person who is practical yet visionary, focused yet compassionate. The strength of 0808 lies in its ability to help one thrive in both physical and spiritual dimensions of life. What are the weaknesses of angel number 0808? While 0808 is a number of power, its weaknesses may include tendencies toward workaholism, control issues, or spiritual neglect in pursuit of success. The 8's energy, if unbalanced, can lead to material obsession, stubbornness, or arrogance. On the other hand, the zeros may bring feelings of uncertainty or confusion if spiritual grounding is lacking. Individuals influenced by this number may struggle with trusting divine timing or letting go of control. To avoid these pitfalls, it's important to remain humble, stay aligned with inner values, and use personal power responsibly. Balance and self-reflection are key to managing these tendencies.